It's your man, Matt Doobie. We're in Chicago, man. Oh, look at that sweet potato pie, y'all. But I can get mac and cheese at the table too, right? Okay, I'm gonna do that. There's a lot of food coming up. Oh, you get two of them. Wow, that's them ham hocks. Thank you. What's going on, fam? It's your man, Matt Doobie. We're in Chicago, man, and I'm just walking around, man, trying to connect with the connections, whatever that means. I'm looking for some touristy spots. Let's check out, man. Let's see what Chicago has to offer. We are still in Chicago, man, and I'm at a spot called Pearl's Place, man. They got some soul food, I heard, and Keith told me to come here. What up, Keith? So let's go check out Pearl's here in South Bend, Chicago, Illinois, man. Let's check it out. That sweet potato pie, y'all. They got that down home southern cooking at Pearl's Place. Hey, how you doing? Hey, what's up? Can I get your cornbread? I sound like y'all now. I just need to taste a piece of this first, y'all. Look, the whole piece will come out. The whole piece comes. Look at that, y'all. Look at that cornbread. I bet they were in the back like saying they thought this was a game. I gotta break a piece of it off, y'all. Check it out. Check it out. Y'all know I gotta I'm going wild style on it. Gotta get a piece of butter on it. Got it on my fingers too, like I'm wild, right? Let's see what they're working with. Uh-oh. I got butter on my lip. That's real cornbread. That's not cake. That's cornbread. That's good, man. That's a lot of food coming, y'all. Right off. Oh, you get two of them. Wow, that's them ham hocks. Thank you, man. Oh, you know what? Hot sauce. Yep. That's those oxtails right there, man. That's that macaroni and cheese right there. And y'all know I can't eat two ham hocks. If I do, you know they probably was the best ham hocks. I forget who that was that kept saying, get the ham hocks. When you gonna get some ham hocks? Oxtails, y'all. That look like oxtail stew, right? Celery, carrots in there, potatoes. You got some red bell peppers. Yep, I see it looks like some basil in there, right? Look at that, man. The macaroni and cheese, we gonna get busy real soon. The hot sauce on our way. The hot sauce. Oh, and another drink. Thank you. Thank you. The service here, man. I'm gonna just say it right now before I even start the review. The service here is awesome. First things first, I'm gonna break into these oxtails, man. I wanna just grab them with my hand and pick them up. Oxtails look good, man. If y'all ain't see the oxtails, there they go right there. That's some oxtails. All right, first these oxtails. Oh, they feel tender, y'all. Let's get some. Oh my goodness, look at that! Look at that meat in that oxtail, man. Can you see that? Can you see that meat in the oxtails? Damn. That tastes very well seasoned. It tastes delicious for me, but I'm gonna be honest, right? It's just a tad bit salty. That was some raw onions. Wait a minute, let me try that again. Because I said, look at these chunks of meat in that oxtail. Look at that. I said it was a tad bit salty, but that onion balanced it out. Yo, that is so good. I got my hot sauce too, look. Let's put some hot sauce on everything, okay, so I don't have to keep going for it. Not the oxtails yet. Next, we're gonna go right into this macaroni and cheese, man. Check it out. Let's check it out. Uh-oh, it's got that cheesy pull on it. It's cheesy, y'all. It's cheesy. That's good. You know how we always talk about if you put eggs? Yes. You know how we always talk about if you put eggs in your macaroni and cheese? I believe they do. I can taste that. Wow. This is perfect. I want to add some pepper to this though. Yo, I gotta stop eating the macaroni and cheese. It's gonna fill me up. Oh, wow. So far, y'all, they're getting a 9.9. Oh, I was gonna hit the oxtails, but I lied. I'm going back to the ham hock. Whatever you heard me say earlier, I'm trying to get that ham hock skin up here, y'all. Look, I got the shakes. That ham hock skin right there. Butter. Oh my goodness. I might be able to eat both of these. That's sad. I'm tearing it up, y'all. I didn't get no greens. Hold up. Gotta wash it down. Also, the raspberry iced tea is perfect. I don't want to stop eating the ham hocks because they are the bomb. All right, the oxtails. I know that. Look at that meat. Oxtail stew. Can y'all see it? I don't want to drip it. Let me hold this plate over here. See the oxtail stew? That stewed oxtail. Very good. With the oxtail stew, right, when I chew it, it's tender, and then it's like, I'm just like chewing this piece right now. That won't disintegrate unless I bite it a few more times. The flavor is excellent. I gotta use my Carolina forks, man. They're very tender though. I wanted to see how they come off the bone. It's like butter, baby. there's definitely a cross-cultural mix going on here. And I think that attributes to probably good food, word of mouth, and customer service. You know, I go to some places, they be like, why you don't go to this place? Because customer service is very important to me. And if you bugging, I ain't even going there. If you bugging, that ain't good customer service. You know that some people run restaurants think the customer's not always right. I'm going for the cornbread, y'all. I'm just gonna lift it right up. You know what? Let me be a little proper here. If I was proper, I would turn the video off, right? I'm just gonna cut that piece of cornbread off there. Check it out. Let's put some butter on it. That's real butter, y'all. This is not margarine. That ain't margarine. I don't think that's margarine. Let me see, put it on some meat and see what happens to it. It's melting. That's some good cornbread. I'm gonna take some of this macaroni and cheese and dip it in that oxtail sauce. Onion, carrot. Onion, carrot. This is way too much food for me, but it's delicious. The oxtails were 15 bucks. I'm sorry. The ham hocks were $15. The oxtail dinner, 32 bucks. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. I love all you cats, man. Thanks for hanging out with me. On the road, man, from New Jersey to California and beyond. I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. Thanks, and stay tuned for our next episode at Harrow's Fried Chicken and Fish in Chicago. First of all, I'm gonna pull these feathers off. That's one feather, two feathers. Hard to get them off.